Ladies and gentlemen, good evening. If you are watching me from the house, these you are seeing on the table are the things we are going to use to prepare our bar soap. You can use this to prepare your bar soap. You can use it to prepare your medicated soap. You can also use it to prepare toilet soap and washing soap. Whatever soap, all these things are needed. The number one requirement for preparation of bar soap is sodium hydroxide. This is sodium hydroxide, also known as caustic soda. For a chemistry student, you know sodium hydroxide is a very corrosive compound or corrosive substance. You can take a look at it. This is how it looks. Sodium hydroxide. That is sodium hydroxide. Number two requirement we will need for the bar soap is soda ash. Soda ash. This is soda ash. You can see soda ash. Look at how it looks like. This is number two requirement for the making of bar soap. Then number three, we have PKO, also known as palm kernel oil. PKO, palm kernel oil. You know your palm oil that you use in cooking is very good for the preparation of bar soap. There are two major ingredients we need for this soap preparation. That is the PKO and the sodium hydroxide. For the other ingredients, like soda ash, they are all what you can add to it. They are called additives. If you like, add them. If you don't like, leave them. But these are the two major ingredients used for the preparation of bar soap. Now, I've called this one, this is a soda ash. Soda ash. We use it as an additive. Some people will be asking, what is the major job of the soda ash? Soda ash is just to improve the quantity and make the soap strong and solidify faster. That is what we use soda ash for. Then this here is known as preservative. We call it preservative just to preserve the soap. If I look at it, it looks like a salt, but it's not actually salt. It's known as preservative. It's an additive. You add just little quantity of it, you are okay. Here we have color. The color you prefer to use in making your bar soap. This is color. You can use red color, you can use brown color. Here I have with me is yellow color. At the end of the day, the soap will come out with yellow color. This, we all know this is called kaolin. Kaolin is just used to add to the soap to make it strong and solidified. This kaolin, we're going to blend it to powdery form before we can add it. This is kaolin. You know this is very popular in the market. You can get it. Surprisingly, these things you are seeing here are not worth up to 2,000 naira, maybe 1,500, and these can be used to produce 20 bar soap. And after you produce 20 bar soap, imagine 20 bar soap producing it out of 1,500. Imagine when you finish selling it, you make it about 5,000 or thereabout. You use 1,500 to buy all the ingredients, then you are now gaining 5,000 naira at the end of the day. You see that it's very profitable.